the Pallavi sir. Ishvara
Yeah.
Parameshwara.
Coming to the topic. You send me afterwards. Coming to the topic, the way word looks. In the last class, the introduction was given. One worksheet is also shared, but I got only very few responses. Whatever the work is given, you have to practice. In the worksheet, we have very interesting games also there, but I got very few responses. Please complete the worksheet and send to me. Today, we are going to continue the chapter. The questions here are already known to you. Start doing these questions one by one. Things will appear small if you look them from a height. Is it true or false? If you look from very high, the things will look very small than the original shape. Is it correct or not? True or false?
Sir, true.
Yes, correct, true. If you see the objects from very high, suppose if you see the objects from the aeroplane, you can see very, very small, like ants, very small. So if you see the objects from very high, they look very small in size. So true is the answer. Next. There are 3 wings in a fan. Look at your room. In generally, there will be 3 wings. Nowadays, some fans are coming with 4 wings also. But in general, 99%, all fans will have only 3 wings. Okay. All of you switch on your camera. Saifullah, Sujay.
True, sir.
Third one. Balloon with air is light. Balloon is heavy or light?
Sir, light, sir.
Balloon is very light. So it is true. It's true.
Light, sir.
There are 8 corners in a box. 8 corners.
True, sir.
Yes.
True,
8 corners in a box. Box means cuboid. You can see your room. You can see your room. There will be 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 above, 4 below. Corners. Corners means verticals. That is also true.
1, 2, 3, 4. The next question.
Fifth one. If you are traveling in a train, then distance trees will move in opposite direction. Have you ever observed this? When you are traveling in a train, you can see the trees and poles. You can see they are moving in opposite direction. You are going like this, trees are going like this. Have you ever observed this?
Yes, sir. True, sir.
Yes.
True,
It
sir.
is also true.
True, sir.
Yes. Question number 6. Railway track.
If railway track looks wide from near and in railway track
Question number 6. If you stand here, railway track will look very wide. If you see far away, it looks that railway track is meeting. It will not meet. It looks that the distance between the track is slowly decreasing. So you will have very small gap, very narrow. So it will be narrow. Railway track. If you stand and if you see the railway track, in the beginning, you can see the gap. But far away, it looks that both the tracks are moving close to each other. They will not meet. It looks like that they are very narrow. Mute yourself.
అట్లా మాట్లాడనీకే మళ్ళీ ఇక బంద్ అవుతుంది.
Sujay,
Sir, you can one question answer, sir.
which one? Sixth question answer is B, narrow.
Be narrow. Okay, sir.
Seventh one. Things will look which are near to eye. When you see something very close to eye, will it be small or big? Practically, you can check. Take a pen or pencil, look like this,
Big
and look
pen.
near eye. If a thing is near to eye, how it will be?
It will be big, sir. When
looks
it is
very
closer
big.
to the eye, it will be big. Sir,
Yes. If I look like this, it looks very
when
big,
it
very
is
big.
closer to the eye, it will look tall, sir.
Huh?
When it's closer to the eye, it looks tall and big.
It looks big. Big is the correct option.
Yes,
Tall,
sir.
tall because we can't measure it.
Yes, sir.
It looks very big in size. It looks very big.
Sir, sixth one అయిపోయిందా సార్? Sir, sixth one అయిపోయిందా?
Sixth one is completed, no? Sixth one narrow.
Seventh one answer, sir.
Seventh one big. These all are you can do on your own. Take something, keep at your eye. It looks very big in size. When things go far away, it looks very small.
Big candle looks long from
Seventh one. Eighth one. The candle looks long from near and it look small from the distance. Candle. You can take your pen itself. If it kept far away, it looks very small. Small in size.
sir, eighth one.
Eighth one, small in size.
Sir, ninth one. Sir, eighth one answer.
Look at the board.
Sir, tell in the 10th one.
Ninth one, the alphabet M looks in the mirror. If M is kept in the mirror, you can have the same image. So exactly same image, right image.
Sir, ninth one answer, sir.
Look at the board. Already I wrote.
Sir, 81 answer is small.
Yes. I explained, but again you are asking. Ninth one, if you look at M in the mirror, it looks same as it is. So right image, no change. So right image.
Sir, please tell 91 answer, sir, because
Ninth one?
Please, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
What is your doubt? Answers are there on the board. Answers are there on the board. I explained. You have to listen when I'm explaining. And answers are already written on the board. And you are asking what is the answer? What is the answer? Can't you see the board? Tenth one. Things
Sir,
look
your
small.
network problem, sir. That's why.
What happened?
Your network problem, sir. That's why I can't see.
I will share the video after the class. Okay.
91.
Ninth one, right image. Right is the answer. Ninth one, you no need to ask. Imagine M. If you look M in the mirror, it looks as it is M only. No change at all. So right.
Sir.
10th question, small. 11th one. There are how many corners in a cubicle room? Same as 4th question. 8 corners in a box. How many corners in a cubicle room? Eight corners.
Sir, 13th one.
Yes, what will be the answer? Think.
Sir, second one.
13th one. Object looks from maximum height. When you see from maximum height means from very height, then object looks very small.
Sir, 21 answer. Sir,
Answers I wrote on the board and answers I marked in the shade screen also. With red color I shade so that there should be no confusion to you to copy the answers.
Over, sir. Not over, sir. See Avantika's.
Over.
Sir, over, sir. Sir, time is over.
No, not over, sir.
Sir,
Please wait.
no, see Avantika's already
Not
over.
Don't
over.
shout, don't shout, mute yourself. Don't shout, mute
It
yourself.
is going. Sir. So wait, please, sir.
Sir, over, sir.
Yeah.
Not over.
Answers are already on the board. Answers already I marked here. And these 13 questions I will share. Those you are not able to write the questions, you have to copy this. The remaining questions about die, how die looks, how die looks. Huh?
No.
And if it is a die, how the numbers will be, all we discuss in the next class. That is about for this class. I repeat once again, 4th year students who are interested to take part on 13th class Independence Day program, National Vande Mataram song, speeches in Telugu, Hindi, English, not more than 2 minutes, very small speech. And those who want to give dance performance, national songs, solo dance or mono action, those who want to do painting, all you have to give your names today itself and with what you are going to do also. What you are, if you are going to sing a song, record the song and send to me. If you are doing a dance program, record the dance and send to me. Whatever I get from that, I will select and I will allow you to do on 13th. Otherwise, you will not be allowed. And K. Pallavi, you have to write the exam. Yesterday, I sent you the link of PT1 Maths Google form. Complete the exam. Okay. See you in the next class. Okay.
Sir, time is over.
Yes.